Imagine waking up in the morning while you were sleeping. You got notification after notification of sales that came in to your bank account. No shipping, no inventory, none of that. Just pure profit. While you're sleeping, while you're going about your day, while you're traveling, while you're doing whatever you do, sales just keep coming. This is the power of digital products. And this has been my experience starting digital products just literally 3 months ago. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can start creating your first digital products within the next 24 hours and how you can put yourself on your way to making $5,000 months on your digital products. Hello, Star Creators. Welcome back to Elevate with Tate. If you're new here, my name is Tate, and I help small content creators, faith-based content creators, grow and monetize their audience with digital products and through the YouTube Partnership Program. And no, that is not a doll. That is my baby in the background. He's calm for now, so I'm going to continue for as long as I can. Mom life, right? So anyway, getting right into this video, guys, about 3 months ago, I was introduced to the world of digital products, and it has been life-changing for my channel, for my life in general. I stumbled on a course and a community mentorship program that taught me everything that I needed to know on how to create digital products and how to sell them and how to talk to my audience. And that is now what I share on this channel with other people who want to gain financial freedom through digital products, through content creation, through changing their lives and escaping their 9 to 5s. Now, I am a stay-at-home mom. So I've been a stay-at-home mom for about 3.5 years. So prior to being a stay-at-home mom, I was actually in the digital space. I had an e-commerce business that did really well, but it was with physical products. And I never really thought about the concept of digital products until about 3 months ago. It is just amazing. You're talking no shipping, no inventory, none of that. And this is something that if you are a content creator, or maybe you're trying to get onto YouTube and create a channel, maybe you already have a YouTube channel. Maybe you are somebody who wants to create a business and leave your 9 to 5. Maybe you're a stay-at-home mom and you want to create an income online. Digital products is the way to go. So I'm going to be going in depth in this video on how you can create your first digital product. Now, what is a digital product? A digital product is basically a product that is in digital format. So we're talking ebooks, templates, courses, mini guides, one-on-one coaching. That is also another type of a digital product. Anything that you sell that is digital, that is not in a physical form. And this is something that is usually delivered digitally and automatically. And it is something that allows you to create a passive income, because the beauty of digital products is you create it once and you're able to sell it over and over and over and over again. Now, the other beauty about digital products that I absolutely love, and by the way, I'm outside now. My husband and the kids just came back from school, so they're playing with the baby. But the beauty about digital products is that you are able to set up sales systems that make it run 80% on auto. So that means you set up email systems, sales systems, delivery systems that run quietly in the background while you live your life and actually make a passive income, which is just fantastic. So basically, you're taking information that you know, you're packaging it into a digital product and then selling it and offering it to an audience that needs that information. Let's get right into how you're going to create your first digital product in the next 24 hours so you can be well on your way to creating your $5,000 a month digital product business. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to figure out what your niche is. Now, many of you are already my star creators who watch this channel regularly. So many of you already have YouTube channels, and maybe you have Instagram accounts or TikTok accounts. But whatever channel you want to use, YouTube is the best, in my opinion. But whatever channel you want to use, you need to pick a niche. If you already have a niche picked out, make sure that it is either in the health, wealth, or relationships. Those are the niches where you are going to be able to sell digital products. Anything outside of that, it's going to be really difficult. So, just to give you a few ideas on the types of digital products you can create and for what niches, we're looking at things like health and wellness. You could create things like meal plans, workout guides, self care planners, or if you're into personal finance, you can create budget trackers, budget templates, debt payoff trackers, social media and business. That's the niche that I'm in. You're looking at Instagram content calendars, YouTube scripts, branding kits, guides, ebooks, you name it. Self improvement, you're looking at goal setting. Faith based content, you're looking at prayer journals, Bible studies, the list goes on. Now, if you're stuck on what type of digital products you can create, I have a quick start guide to digital wealth that you can download. It's completely free. It also includes a list of 100 digital product ideas that you can look at from everywhere from travel all the way to health and wellness, education, you name it. So be sure to download that free guide, and I will put a link in the description for that. So once you've figured out your niche, you're ready to get started on creating your product. So you want to first come up with a outline of your product and what you're going to create. So ChatGPT AI is an excellent place to start because you can go there and you can simply type in that my niche is such and such a niche, and I would like some digital product topic ideas that I can create, and it'll give you a list of those things. And then it'll also give you an outline. So at least you know where to start. And then you want to head over to Canva and use one of the templates that they have on there to create your digital product. Now, you can easily create a workbook, a ebook, or any type of digital product on Canva pretty easily. And you just basically copy and paste from ChatGPT, and then you want to put in your personal stories and you want to put in all the information that you have learned from your experience. So you definitely want this digital product to be something that you have overcome in your own life so that you can share your experiences so that it is real. You don't want to just copy and paste from ChatGPT. You want to create a product that actually transforms your buyer's experience. So you're trying to get them from point A to point B. Now, the other option is that if you don't want to create a digital product completely from scratch, you can actually create a digital product from done for you digital products. These are called PLR digital products. That means they have private label rights for you to resell. So you can find PLR products in just about every niche, and then you can purchase that product, customize it, and resell it as your own. So there are multiple websites, including Etsy, where you can find PLR products that you can recreate, customize, and resell. Another option that I always tell my audience is that you can also get PLR Project, which is a one-stop shop for up to 800 PLR digital products. You sign up once, you pay for it once, and you get access to these 800 different digital products that are within every niche you can think about. So I will put a link to PLR Project in the description if that is the option that you want to pick. Now, once you've created your digital product, you want to be able to sell it. So you need a platform on which to sell your digital products. So there's platforms like Etsy, there's places like Gumroad, which are kind of like marketplaces where you put your product, but then you're competing with so many other people on those platforms. So I always tell people that you need to create your own platform where you put your products. And Stand Store is an amazing, amazing, amazing platform where you can create. It's basically like a website, but you're just putting your digital products on this website. It is your own. You're able to post your digital products on there. You're able to sell them. You're able to set up your email sequences. So when somebody buys your product, they receive an email. You're able to set up email sequences that they can receive over time. You're able to market different products to your audience using Standstill. And that is the one that I use on my account. So right now, if you went and downloaded that quick start guide to digital wealth, it was actually on my Standstore, and you will receive the guide instantly. It'll be emailed out to you by Standstore, and you will receive it. And then you're going to receive a sequence of emails from me that kind of give you more value and help you on your journey to becoming digitally wealthy. So that is a great platform. I will put a link to Standstore so you can start creating your first Standstore right now. And that is the way you're going to start creating emails from your content, because you want to move people onto your email list, because you don't want to trust these platforms because you don't own them, but you own your email list. So moving on to promoting your digital product, I always say the easiest way to do it is to start building an audience. And I know some of you are probably thinking, well, I don't have an audience. Well, nobody is born with an audience. You have to build one. And even if you don't want to show your face, you can create faceless accounts. I've seen people who are creating digital wealth without ever showing their faces. This is on Instagram, even right here on Facebook, where you create totally faceless content and you get people to your offer, your digital product offer. So there's no excuse there. You have to start somewhere. And this is a free way to start a business that is going to create digital wealth for you. This is something that I did. I'm face forward on my content. But if you don't want to be face forward, you can totally do this faceless. Now, if you're just getting started on digital products and you would like to get help in that area, be sure to check out my 5K Digital CEO Launch Kit. This is a total business in a box launch kit if you want to start a digital product business, because in this kit, you will get everything you need to start your digital product business. That includes your first 14 products that you can completely customize and resell. So you learn from it and you're able to sell this exact same system to your audience. You also get done for you content. You also get reels and videos that are already done for you, so that all you need to do is just plug and play. I will put a link in the description so you can read all the details on what this kit includes. So if you need something to just kickstart that you can plug and play, then be sure to check that out. So that does it for this lesson. Thank you so much for watching. If you need any help, be sure to check out the links that I have in the bottom, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.